SERV stock analysis and predictions for Monday. Is it a buy? Answering this in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. When I'm looking at Serve Robotics, we are sitting at $10.21, and it's in my demand area. Now it says that I'm waiting for the rules to be met in order for me to take it higher, and that's exactly what I'm really waiting for. Obviously it might take time, and people are not patient usually, and that's why they just try and get in stuff that really does not make sense. And I'm speaking from experience because I was like this, you know, like I've made 26,000 videos. I've tried all the tricks and tips, quote, in the book. So, you know, like this is like exactly what has given me the most good impressions, you know, what's giving me the most good predictions. So the way that I would still take it higher is if I see that double break. If I don't, then I guess I'm not gonna take a trade. You know, it's that simple. So if you want to learn the strategy, check the first link in the comments. All reviews are 5 stars. Goodbye and enjoy. What can I say other than this here?